Hello guys, this is Toys and Games. Today I'm gonna unbox this Lego City Prisoner and Police set. Let's go. You have to press here. Okay, now let's open it. Oh, there it is. That is easy. We want that one. We have that second packet. And what else is in there? Of course, the giant instructions. Now, this is packet 1, this is packet 2. Let's flip that. This packet 1 is for the police car. Packet 2 is for the criminal car. These are the base of the cars. These are stickers. These are stickers, and let's get building. Now we will start from packet 1. Okay, now let's open. Now I will arrange the pieces according to the instructions. Okay, let's open them. Now I have collected all the pieces for the minifigure, and its name is Duke Detain. Let's build it. It is pretty simple. Put this in his hand. The minifigure is done. Let's put it aside and let's start building the car. Okay, now we are gonna do step 2. Step 1 is just take this piece. Step 2 is put two 1x6s at the bottom of the edge. Right. In step 3, we will put two 1x4 vanilla colored pieces. These are like vanilla colored. In step 4, we are gonna put circular 1x1s at the end of each gray block, like this. They look somewhat like lasers. Now we will put this piece and place it right here. Okay, next step, we need a 4x4 high brick and put it right here. Okay, now after 3 steps, we are at step 10 and it looks like this. I added the little steering wheel as well. At step 13, it looks like this. These Lego instructions are so detailed, it's easy to build. On step 20, I have placed the back side. Here it's written detain with the 3 and 1. Now it's time to do the next step. Now I will show you how to do step 21. Place the police sticker right here, and now put the 2 pieces like this. Step 22 has these pieces that are placed. Okay, now on step 27, we put the white 1x6 with a flat 1x4 that looks like a slide. Now it's like this. Now after step 30, it looks like this. It looks almost like the finished product, just a hovercraft. Okay, this is what it looks like after step 35. Now it looks like I just have to place the 2 wheels. Now I have completed step 43, which is the bumper with the detailed sticker, and this is how it looks so far. Next, I will place this right here. Okay, now Now we take off the glass and put Duke Detain inside. And put the glass back. Just need to make him sit. Perfect. Now put the glass. And it works smoothly. Okay, now as you can see, the police car looks exactly like the one on the box. Now we have to make the criminal car. This looks perfect. It moves perfect as well. Okay, now let's make the criminal car. This is the base again. This is how the criminal car should look like. Okay, let's start building. Let's cut this packet open. Now let's take out all the pieces. Okay, these actually are a lot. Now we're gonna make the action figure, also known as Vito. He's the criminal guy of this set, and his crowbar. Perfect. This is how it looks like. Now we will start building. Start with the green piece and put it at the back. Need to press it real hard. Okay, next we need one rectangle. Okay, this is how the car's interior looks like. We have these two pieces. I used to call them seat pieces. They look like seats. Okay, this is step 20. We have this spoiler here and the back lights. Let's go ahead. Alright. Okay, now this is step 35. It's almost the full car. Okay, now we're gonna put these funny fishes inside of here. Here, that's like this. And here's the speed limit of 50. Okay, now let's put this man inside of here. Let's put his vent right there. And he goes right inside. Oh my god, he's hard to put inside. Okay, now we have both cars finished. Now we're going to show the scene on the box in real life. It goes something like this. No, not like that. And the police is chasing. Okay, if you like this video, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and press the like button. Bye bye. And can we reach 100 likes on this video?